Let's do a non-destructive weight mod. See what we can get out of it. We get another battery on set. I can't see us getting much out of it, to be fair, but we'll see. Let's just check the battery connections. Just see if we can put it straight in without cooking it, because that's what happens if you do it wrong. Okay, like the right way around, like a straight swap. Nice. Yep, all this stuff can stay out. Non-destructive mod, here we come. A few less screws and stuff, and that's probably all you're gonna get out of it. If we get this below 50, it'll be impressive. You could probably leave the side buttons in, just glue them, to be fair. I'm gonna say you could leave these in, just glue them, you don't need the screws. I'll have to see. Save on a screw or two. There's definitely some weight to get out of this. So you could have a smaller cable. I know straight off the bat we don't need any screws in the bottom of this. It's going to be pretty much held on. I don't get what this bit is. Why did I have this bit on the base? You do all that lightweight pulsar and then you leave that. Why? And this. These reinforcers remind me of Zowie. No one needs this reinforcement here. I was going to crush it that far at the back. $50 grams. Holy moly. Okay, that's not bad. Nice, there's 6 grams off it then. Tidy. Looks absolutely stock. Obviously, you got to imagine the feet on it, right?